such a moving film, and I would implore everybody to watch it.
First class. I would be very proud to have made a film like that.
Just got angrier and angrier as the film went on, and I'm going to go home and warn my children that their lives are
Yeah, it was wonderfully produced, wonderfully written, with a lot of empathy and a lot of truth, and giving us all inspiration to stand up to the powers that be.
I feel like I've got a lot of knowledge about it now, yeah, absolutely.
Oh, it was fantastic.
Amazing movie.
And hopefully this is going to bring everything to light, and you know, let's bring a brother home. Let's get him home. It's been too long.
I hadn't heard of John Pilcher for a long time, and he was in there with the very cogent views, and all the other commentators were absolutely superb.
It was really eye-opening, and I really recommend watching this film to get insight into just so much deception and to learn about how you can make a difference.
Brilliant film, very emotional. I had to go and get a wine because I had quite a few tears. It was very, very hard to watch, but very important to watch. So
it's really powerful. I think Kim's done a fantastic job.
Watching it was very upsetting and intense, but it will open people's eyes, so definitely.
So yeah, another valuable film. Yeah. Yes. Recommend it.
Just hope many people see it, because it could make a really powerful impact.